There's a point in every person's life when they think they have it all sorted, but then they get a random itch. Like making a Unity game inside Minecraft, because hey, if it's possible, no matter the cost, someone will do it at some point. First off, I have to purchase Minecraft, and hear me out, I found this nice little Russian website that gives you Minecraft for free, called T-Launcher. I mean, what could go wrong? And we're in at the cost of my internet privacy. Now you might think, but Aliensoft, how are you gonna run Unity in Minecraft is not like you can just open it. And for that, my deformed friend, I have a solution. Meet Web Displays. This mod allows you to browse the internet inside Minecraft, and by remote controlling another PC, we could have theoretically Unity in Minecraft. And of course, it doesn't work. Yeah, go figure. Now don't click off and let me cook. I just found this village and I thought it was a good place to set up my screen. So for a quick test I opened YouTube and what is this? Lord, please forgive us and have mercy on us. Change of plans. I'll let the villagers watch one of my videos while I find a perfect place to build a house. This is it, and now it's the fun part, building the house. Okay, the next step is figuring out what to use exactly to remote control another PC from Minecraft. Web Displays is just a browser, if you can believe it, so I tried TeamViewer but it didn't work. Fortunately, I found Chrome Remote Control, which lets you generate a code on one machine and control it directly within the browser. You just need a Google account, it's crazy. There are some caveats, and those are the fact that my mouse is inverted and the keyboard doesn't work. So I guess I have to switch between two keyboards because I won't code with a mouse or with that weird on-screen display. So if I didn't have a spare keyboard, the video would end here. Unity installed with no problems, and now comes the question. What game do I even make? Oh, sorry, I was just looking for some inspiration with my friend Bob. Okay, after a good rest I got it. What if I make a ball game? I mean a cube game. Enemies swarm in and you have to shoot them. Survive 60 seconds and you win. It should have been that hard to make it. Hold up, that spider is too annoying. You see it? Get out of here! Oh, where was I? Man, getting used to this inverted mouse is kinda hard to do. Oh, and I can't use the scroll wheel. Okay, time to code. I guess my code was too powerful or completely broken. So with the player done and the enemy partially working, it's time to make a lava shader. Again, everything is inverted and I can't use the scroll wheel, so the only way of navigating around is by dragging the blocks at the edges of the screen, which slowly makes me bite my mouse. I think we should do something different, right? Let's try to make the map. Yeah, that sounds like a relaxing task. Nothing could go wrong. Keep in mind that I have to right click. Bro, why do you keep mentioning that? We get it. Alright bro, chill out. Bro, these spiders are really annoying. Oh, perfect! A challenge! It's time to show them who's the boss around here. I also made the enemies much stronger after 30 seconds pass, so now instead of just one bullet you need 2 to defeat one red cube. And I also made the overpowered cubes bigger in size so you kind of know which is which. And it glitched again. You know what? I'm done with this. Hold up, where do you think you're going? We still need to make the UI so you know when you lose or win. And it's safe to say that since this is a mouse only job, everything was pretty easy except for the mouse being inverted. A few lines of code later and now there's the timer, and as you can see, if the cube touches you, the game stops and asks you to restart. And now for some gameplay. There's 2 more seconds and we win. How exciting. I expect 8 billion downloads for this game. Now before telling you my final thoughts, don't forget to subscribe, since at 1000 subscribers I'll release my own game engine and I'll show you right now how simple it is to use it. This is it. You create a game manager class, spawn a cube, add a mesh, light, camera, enable this, and here you go. You get a, like, I don't know, drone type of camera that you can explore your level, or I don't know bro. I don't know. I don't know. As for this experience, maybe if you somehow manage to invert the mouse input and use the same keyboard instead of two, I would still not recommend it to anyone. So this concludes our little experiment. Was it worth it? No. Definitely not. But you know what?